Sports, a winning formula for performance analysis and decision-making in mathematics. The relationship between math and sports is a fascinating one, as the use of mathematical principles and concepts can be found in many aspects of sports, from analyzing performance data to designing sports equipment and facilities. In this essay, we will take a closer look at some of the ways that math is used in sports on a daily basis. One of the most obvious ways that math is used in sports is through statistics and data analysis. Sports teams and organizations collect a vast amount of data on everything from player performance to team dynamics, and this data is used to make decisions and improve performance. This involves using statistical methods to analyze the data, such as regression analysis, which is used to identify trends and relationships between variables. Probability is also a key concept in sports, as it can be used to predict the likelihood of different outcomes in a game. Another area where math is used in sports is in the design and construction of sports facilities and equipment. Engineers and architects use mathematical principles such as geometry and physics to design structures that are strong and stable, while also meeting the specific needs of the sport. For example, the parabola shape of a ski jump is designed to allow skiers to travel the greatest distance, and the dynamics of the flight is also calculated with math. In the case of sports equipment, such as golf clubs or baseball bats, designers use mathematical modeling to optimize the shape and materials of the equipment for maximum performance. Performance analysis is another important area where math is used in sports. Athletes and coaches use technology such as GPS and accelerometers to track the performance of athletes in real time, and this data is analyzed using mathematical methods to identify areas for improvement. For example, a runner's stride length and frequency can be analyzed with math to identify potential improvements in their running style. Furthermore, with the help of game tracking technologies such as cameras and sensors, data analysts can help to understand the position of the player and the ball. Helping coach and the team to make strategic decisions during game, this field is commonly known as sports analytics. Math also plays a role in the training and conditioning of athletes. Coaches use mathematical principles such as periodization to design training plans that are tailored to the specific needs of the athlete, while sports scientists use mathematical modeling to understand how different variables, such as diet and exercise, impact the performance of the athlete. The sports betting industry also heavily relies on math. Bettors use mathematical models and probability to predict the outcome of games and make informed decisions about where to place their bets. This can include everything from analyzing historical data on teams and players to using statistical methods to identify patterns and trends. In conclusion, math plays an important role in sports in many different ways. From analyzing performance data to designing equipment and facilities, mathematical principles and concepts are used to improve the performance of athletes, teams, and organizations. Understanding the relationship between math and sports is important for anyone involved in the sports industry, whether they are coaches, athletes, or sports scientists. In today's world, data-driven decision-making become more and more popular in sports. Therefore, math is a valuable skill set for anyone who aims to succeed in the industry.